All right, guys, wanted to show you this 46-inch Yukon tool storage chest. It's from Harbor Freight. I got it to store my blades in, and I have it, right here in this little space where I shoot a lot of videos. Got 9 drawers. Got all kinds of knives. Just a few here and there. Some SOGs. What else we got? A couple K-bars, Ozark trails, and lots of room to grow here. And a couple down there even. So works out pretty nice for storage. It's got a nice wood top as well. You can sit stuff on, do some work on, and fits nice in here. Got wheels, and it's going to function great for what I want it for.